Okay, so I just assembled this because this would probably take a long time to make sure. Okay, so let's start doing this. I think this is how the pros do it. I don't know. Okay. Actually, let's just see. I'm gonna admire the clay. Yeah, that doesn't work that good. Take a little clay out. Stretches. That's the clay. Oh my god. Starting to mix it. Let's see, I'll show you the after review. Okay. Ooh, it's kind of half showing out. Ooh. Yeah, I kind of pulled it too much. Well, that's it. Bye.